Happy Valentine's Day, Valpo. I'm Meteorologist Joe Egan with your weather update for your Saturday. Very windy conditions expected today, and with those winds, we will have much colder air moving into the area, as well as the opportunity for some lake effect snow later on today into tonight. And we'll have the cold air will last throughout the weekend into early next week. All details on that ahead in my 5-day forecast in just a few minutes here. Currently, right now, we do have winter storm warning in effect for Porter County and the rest of northwest Indiana, including also LaPorte and St. Joseph counties, running until 9 a.m. Sunday morning, and that could get adjusted depending on how long the lake effect snow persists over the area. We'll be sure to keep you informed regarding that. Lake effect snow right now is over Michigan, and that will gradually shift into the area today, along with some synoptic snow showers from the Clipper system. Lake effect snow band will reach us tonight, and you can see that we are in the band still at 5 a.m. Sunday. This could change depending on how wind directions shift. We'll keep you informed on that. And then this snow band should gradually shift off to our west on Sunday morning, and we see another Clipper system affect us on Monday with some light snow. Snow amounts for for tonight into Sunday, I should say, look to be between 2 and 5 inches across the area according to our RPM model. We might see some areas pick up more than that, closer to 6 inches, where the band lasts a little bit longer, but that will depend on the wind direction. And so be sure to stay tuned regarding details about that. Temperatures will be a big deal as well with the system. 11 degrees we have right now here in Valpo, and we'll fall through the teens into the single digits this afternoon. Colder temperatures up to our north and west, negative 17 in International Falls this morning. Not going to get that cold, but we are going to fall down to around 0 tonight. And we will not rise much on your Sunday, probably only to around 10. Then we'll fall down around 0 once again tomorrow night. And then we don't look to moderate that much this week. We will moderate a little bit on Monday, but then we cool back down again for later on in the week. 500 millibar heights, this is basically what we are seeing at 500 millibars, the height at which the pressure is 500 millibars. And so you can see that the temperatures are going to be cold in areas where there are lower 500 millibar heights, and they're going to be warmer with higher heights. And you can see we are clearly in the cold heights, but it's even colder off to our east, and that's where the core of the cold air will be. We don't expect to hit the negative 10 to negative 20 degree lows that locations off in Ohio, Pennsylvania, and the northeast U.S. will see. But we will still be nonetheless cold with wind chills, probably negative 10 to negative 20 come Sunday morning and maybe Monday morning as well. But for today, not quite that cold yet. Still cold, though. 19 degrees is what we'll start off with, and we will fall through the teens today. Scattered snow showers amounting to maybe an inch or two. We'll see winds, though, be the main story today. 25 to 35 mile per hour winds, gusting up to 45 or even 50 near the lake. Blowing snow is likely, depending, regardless, I should say, of how much snow falls. So be sure to take precautions if you have to travel today. 1 degree is our low tonight. Lake effect snow gets going in earnest. 1 to 4 inches of snow likely where the band persists, maybe a little bit more if it persists a little bit longer at any one location. A little bit less further south. South of Valpo may not see much snow at all from this, depending on how far inland the band gets. But again, that will depend on the wind direction. Stay tuned regarding details on that. Winds will still be up there, 25 to 30 miles per hour, gusting up to 40 or even 45. So we will still see areas of blowing snow. At 10 degrees is for high temperature on your Sunday. Morning snow showers. That snow band will gradually shift off to our east into Chicago, and we will stay very cold with winds still out of the northeast 10 to 15 miles per hour, and we do expect wind chills to be below 0. For your 5-day forecast, Monday looks a little bit milder, but I use that in a relative sense. 18 degrees your high temperature with some light snow with another Clipper. Tuesday, 20 degrees your high temperature, and then we will have another cold front pass through Tuesday night. Low around 2, and then we only get up to 10 on Wednesday. More lake effect snow is possible that day. Wind direction will determine how much we get, and we'll have to keep an eye on that. Thursday, still cold, 15 degrees, and the low is a big fat 0. So be sure to stay tuned regarding the latest on this winter storm. And if you have any travel plans today, I would highly suggest you get them over with as early as possible, as blowing snow will create some pretty hazardous roads later today. This is Meteorologist Joe Egan. Have a great Valentine's Day and a safe weekend.